Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use your WhatsApp account on two devices. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open WhatsApp. So once you open WhatsApp, you simply need to click on three dots, and here you need to click on link devices, and then you need to click on link a device, and then you need to scan a code. So after that you need to go on to your second device, and this is a process that you need to follow on the second device. You simply need to open WhatsApp and select your desired language. So I'm going to select English. Then you need to click on next, click on agree and continue. Here you can see option to add phone number. You simply need to click on three dots, and then you need to click on link to existing account, and here you can see a QR code. Then you simply need to come onto your second phone and scan this code. So once you've done that, you are able to use the same WhatsApp account on two devices. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.